In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L1259 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the resetter file, you can extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All, and click Extract button here. After that, you can open the resetter folder. Then you need to run the adjustment programs. But for the first time use, you need the password that you can see on these txt files. You can run the adjustment program after that. In here, you can click Select button and choose the model L1259 printer and click OK. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button here and choose was ink pad counter and click OK. Don't forget to tick the main pad counter option, flatten pad counter option, and the ink system pad counter options. After that, you can click check button here. Then you can click initialize button here. After the resetting is successfully, you can just click finish. Then immediately you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. Okay, in any case you face error, you can try to moving USB printer into another available port on your computers. After that, you can try to reset again. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L1259 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching.